Today we are going to learn how to do a high-end skinning technique in Photoshop, so let's get started. If you want to follow along with this tutorial, the download link for this image will be in the description. First open the image, go to channels and drag the blue channel on the new icon to create a new channel. Now go to filter, other, high pass. I'm setting the radius to 40. The value can change depends on the size of the image. Hit OK. Now press Ctrl or Command L for the levels. Now drag the whites and the blacks in the mid. We are actually creating the contrast for the blemishes. So the blemishes will be dark and the skin tone will be lighter. Hit OK. Now take the lasso tool and create a selection on the area where you want to remove the blemishes and the marks. Then press D for default colors, black and white, and Ctrl or Command Shift I to invert the selection. Now press Ctrl or Command backspace to fill the white color and Ctrl or Command D to deselect. Now take the brush tool, select the white color and paint over the outer portion to make the selection smooth. Now open the channel section and click on load channel as selection. Click on RGB, take the rectangular marquee tool, right click, select inverse. Now only the blemishes section is selected. To get a good visibility of the process, we can temporarily hide the selection. Go to view, click on extra. Now the selection is hide but it's still there. Now press Ctrl or Command M for the curve setting. Just add a point in the mid and make a curve out of it. We only want to highlight the blemishes so that it can be matched with the skin tone. Don't get overboard, otherwise the blemishes will show in a different skin tone. Now hit OK. You can see we 80% remove the blemishes. This is the before, this is the after, but there is always room for more improvement. So if you want to completely remove the blemishes, there is another tool, spot healing brush. Select it and paint over those areas where you see the marks and the blemishes. If you learned something new, hit the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon for learning updates. My name is Shubham. Thank you so much for watching Graphic Arena.